Good afternoon, Ethan here, and we will now learn about constellations. So, constellations are recognizable patterns formed by a group of stars. They help people become familiar with the night sky. Constellations are named after animals, mythological characters, or any random common object. As you can see, this is the Big Dipper. The Big Dipper is called Ursa Major. But in Latin, Ursa is bear. So the Big Dipper can also be known as the Big Bear. All constellations are a matter of perspective. In other words, they are one's point of view and it is subjective. This is Scorpio. It is called Scorpio because it represents a scorpion. This constellation is Leo because it represents a lion. But Leo Minor represents the lion cub. The Ursa Major represents a big bear, and the Ursa Minor represents a little bear. It is a name derived from ancient cultures and mythology. Aquarius is called a water bearer because it shows a figure pouring water into a jar based on ancient mythology. And this is how it looks like. Aries, or Aries, represents a ram and was first discovered by Ptolemy in the 2nd century. The constellation Aries symbolizes courage and leadership. Capricorn, or Capricornus, represents a blend of a fish and a goat, as you can see here. Cancer is located in the northern celestial hemisphere. It is Latin for crab, and this is how it looks like. It is actually the dimmest of the zodiac constellations. And Gemini represents the twins, Castor and Pollux, for which 2 stars are both named. It symbolizes duality and partnership. As you can see, this is Leo. Here is how it looks like. Leo represents a lion, while Leo Minor represents a lion cub. It is one of the most well-known constellations. Libra is the only constellation that is named after an inanimate object and is located in the southern celestial hemisphere. As you can see here, this is a weighing scale. This is one of the constellations named after a common inanimate object. Ophiuchus is not the most popular constellation, but is located northwest of the Milky Way galaxy. Ophiuchus is also known as a serpent bearer. Pisces is the double fish symbol of the zodiac. As you can see here, this is the constellation art, while this is the actual constellation in the sky. Sagittarius is the largest constellation in the southern hemisphere. And here is what Sagittarius looks like. With many bright stars, it is located at the center of the Milky Way. These, as you can see, are the stars of Sagittarius. Scorpio is known for its distinctive shape, as we discussed earlier. Taurus here represents a bull. This is what it looks like. And Taurus is a symbol for strength and resilience. Virgo is the second largest in the night sky and of the zodiac. It means maiden. It represents the goddess of harvest in various mythologies, including Demeter. That is why Virgo is represented by a girl or a maiden. Thank you for listening.